tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to create a live template, how to turn a static template to a live project. I have a template here with me. You might just think of downloading template from anywhere, then use it to do or whatever you want to do. So now this is the template I'm going to show you guys here. So we have the template here. So, and is responsive template. You can see is a responsive one here. So I might turn it to my own format and then use it to do things I want to do, or change it to my own intentions or things like that. I don't want to do the problem of uh, designing from scratch. That's why I just find a template that fits my task and then I do it and then I use it. So the first thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to install this I'm going to use a Django or Flask or anyone, but for your proper management I'll use the Django to just create the block. It's actually Django is actually a very large system, but I prefer using Django to create a very nice because it allows me to manage everything at once. So I'm going to activate my virtual environment. I already have a virtual environment installed. If you don't know how to do a virtual environment, I think you need to look up into the internet and then find out how to do the virtual environment. In this video we are not working with virtual environment, so we are not teaching you how to do a virtual environment or stuff. I'm just teaching you how to integrate your data from your backend or anywhere you are inputting it then to your database, so to your front end or any template you have. So now I have a source, then it's Python env, then then I'm going to activate it. So I have it activated already, so I'm going to do something like blog. So this document is where I want to install my backend. So this is where I want to install my backend, all my template. This is where I want to install it. So cd document, then I'll enter into then I'm going to do something like Django admin start project. I'm going to call this project blog. Django not found, so I have to put an hyphen here. There's an hyphen here. So we're going to wait for a few minutes and then we are done, and then I'm going to enter into this directory, which this cd, which means change directory. So I'm changing my directory into this project blog. So I'm inside the blog now. So now I'm going to do my ls. I'm going to list services. So we have the blog here and then we have the manage.py. So this manage.py will allow me to do a variety of tasks. I can do a variety of tasks with this manage.py. So I'm going to do something like this, starting with this. Since we have manage.py here, so let me start by saying this one Python, because this is a Python file. Without calling a Python, we are going to have not found, something like Django here. We are going to have a command like Django here, not found. So let me try so that you see what I'm talking about. Manage.py, we are going to have a not found. So you need to call Python first. Anyone you're using, I'm using Python 3 here, so I have to call Python 3. If I call Python 2, I'm going to have an issue. So Python 3 now, then manage.py. I cannot do many service, but I can actually say F to see what I can do with it. I can check, I can compile message, I can create, I can share, I can this settings, I can dump data, I can flush, I can inspect the database, I can load data, I can make messages, and then I can migrate, and then I can do migration, migrate, send text, mail, shell, show, migration, SQL flush, then SQL migrate, SQL sequences reset, SQL migration, start app, and then start project. So what I'm going to be dealing with here now is what is start project, start app. We have already done with start project, so we are going to be doing it with what start app. So uh I'll just turn back to my last sending request on my command prompt, and then this manage just by now. I want to do what I want to start up my blog. So now I already have this start up my blog. So now I'm going to run the server and check maybe it's working or not. To run the server, I'll go back to my last command on command prompt. Just by then I'm going to run the server. So running the server here now, you can say I have any migration because I have not done any migration. So I'm going to copy this here, and then I'll come here, and then I'll paste here, then see. So I have Django installed already here now. So now we are now going forward to look for our template, and then do the database migration, and then start working on our complete